Ever felt like the internet knows a little too much about you? Or maybe you've tried to stream your favorite show abroad, only to see that dreaded not available in your region message. Yeah, we've all been there. The good news? There's a super simple fix, NordVPN. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set it up, what it actually does, and how it can make your online life a whole lot safer and more open. And quick shout out, if you decide to try it, you can grab it through my link in the description. It doesn't cost you extra, but it helps keep the channel running. Appreciate it. So, what's a VPN anyway? Think of it like an invisibility cloak for your internet connection. Normally, when you go online, your data is out in the open. Your internet provider, hackers, and even some websites can see what you're doing. A VPN, or virtual private network, changes that. It creates an encrypted tunnel between you and the internet, keeping your info private and letting you appear as if you're browsing from another country. That means safer public Wi-Fi and access to content that might be blocked where you are. There are tons of VPNs out there, so why this one? NordVPN stands out for a few reasons. It's super fast, doesn't log your data, and it's beginner-friendly. You can literally click one button and you're protected. Plus, it comes with bonus features like ad blocking, which prevents annoying pop-ups and banners, malware protection, which safeguards your device from harmful software, and a double encryption option for extra privacy. Alright, let's get practical. Hit the link in the description, pick a plan, and make an account. After that, just download the app for your device. It works on phones, computers, tablets, whatever. Once it's installed, log in and you'll see a big Quick Connect button. Click it and boom! NordVPN finds the fastest server and locks down your connection. If you want to change your location, just pick a country from the list, maybe the UK, Japan, or Canada, and NordVPN will connect you there in seconds. Now you can stream or browse like a local. When you're done, just hit disconnect and you're back to regular internet. Easy. And that's basically it. You just learned how to protect your privacy, secure your data, and access a freer internet in a couple of clicks. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss future videos. And if you do try NordVPN, use my link below to get the best deal and support the channel. Stay safe out there and enjoy the web without borders.